Wetlands, together with forests and oceans, are known as the three major ecosystems in the world. Wetlands have the reputation of the kidney of the earth. Wetlands are unique ecosystems formed by the interaction of water and land. And their unique and superior ecological conditions make them reservoirs of nature. At the same time, wetlands can also purify water quality, and the fresh water resources purified and stored by them are closely related to human life. INVT products have gradually played the role of industrial wetland over the years. INVT frequency converter applied to sewage treatment system precisely control the screw pump to realize conveying material with constant pressure. Filter sewage into clean water. Purify sewage and promote recycling of water resources. Save water. Increase clean water reserves. INVT products can not only play the role of wetlands, but also protect wetlands.